Installing your first Netatmo Smart Thermostat or replacing a wireless thermostat. In this video, we are going to explain how to install your first thermostat or replace a wireless thermostat. Before installation, check that your installation is compatible on the check.netatmo.com website. To install the smart thermostat, you need a private Wi-Fi network, a smartphone or tablet. For the wireless installation, you will need from the thermostat box the thermostat and its batteries, the mobile stand or the wall bracket in case you want to attach it to a wall, the relay, the boiler adapter and its tape, 4 color adhesives, 4 screws and screw anchors, the installation guide number 2. To install the thermostat, you will need both a Phillips head and a slotted screwdriver. In this installation, the Netatmo relay is wired to your boiler. Using a radio frequency, the relay connects to the smart thermostat located in the room where you want to set temperature. The Netatmo relay ensures the Wi-Fi connection to the internet and the ability to remotely control the thermostat from the Netatmo Energy app. Step 1. Install the Netatmo relay. Before beginning the installation, don't forget to switch off the power supply. Open the boiler door to access the electric terminal block. Take a picture of the terminal block. This will be a useful reference if you have questions in the future. Identify the entry terminals for the thermostat. These terminals are usually labeled 3 and 4, LS, LR, TA or RT. We will now describe how to identify the correct wires whether you are installing your first thermostat or you are replacing a wireless thermostat. If you are installing your first thermostat, you may have to remove the shunt between the 2 thermostat terminals previously identified. If you are replacing a wireless thermostat, find your old thermostat's relay and identify its wires. Unplug those wires. Unplug your former relay. You can now identify the main power supply terminals. These terminals are usually labeled PN or LN. The power supply wires connected to these terminals are usually brown and blue. For more information on how to identify the terminals and the wires, check the manual guide in the product box. Take the Netatmo relay, the boiler adapter and its tape. Connect the blue wire of the boiler adapter to the N terminal of the boiler, where the blue power supply wire of the boiler is already connected. Connect the brown wire of the boiler adapter to the P or L terminal of the boiler, where the brown power supply wire of the boiler is already connected. Plug the black and grey wires from the boiler adapter to the room thermostat terminals as previously identified. As there is no polarity on the control wires, you can put the 2 wires in either port. Close the boiler. Use the provided tape to attach the boiler adapter. Place it as far as possible from any metallic items such as wiring or pipes. Make sure you have a Wi-Fi signal where you install the relay. Plug the Netatmo relay into the adapter. Step 2. Setup of the relay. Switch the power supply back on. The light on the relay blinks to indicate it is working. You can now check that your relay is properly controlling your boiler. Push the button located at the bottom of the relay. The relay lights up and switches the boiler on. Push the button a second time. The relay turns off to indicate the boiler is off. If your boiler does not respond, check that the control wires are well connected. Step 3. Install the thermostat. Take the Netatmo thermostat and the batteries provided. Insert the batteries into the thermostat. The thermostat displays the start screen and searches for the relay. The thermostat connects to the relay within 30 seconds. Once the thermostat is connected to the relay, the room temperature and the set point temperature appear on the screen. You can customize your smart thermostat with one of the included color adhesives. Choose a color and remove the cover of the adhesive before sticking it to the back of the thermostat. You can choose between two dispositions. Either clip the thermostat on its mobile stand and conveniently place it wherever you want and move it at any time, or attach it to a wall using the wall bracket. The thermostat needs to be placed at least 1 meter away from any cold or heat source, such as any openings or radiators, and approximately 1.5 meters off the ground. Great! You only have to download the Netatmo Energy app to remotely control your thermostat. Step 4. Download the Netatmo Energy app to control your thermostat from your smartphone. First, download the Netatmo Energy app directly from your smartphone or tablet's app store. Create an account providing your email address and a password, or simply log in if you already have a Netatmo account. Select the Smart Thermostat option to connect your app with your thermostat and follow the instructions. Answer a few questions in order to create a heating schedule according to your lifestyle. Great! Your Netatmo Smart Thermostat is now ready to use. Complete your installation with Netatmo additional smart radiator valves to take control of your radiators and choose your home temperature room by room.